A Niko Fate poem. Pink Moon Blizzard. Upon the frozen prison, I write a final letter never written. He was king in my mulch. His love was true, although he ignored me so. His fist frequently reconstructed the bones in my face, but that was the way he showed affection. He never cheated. Yuta was loyal, unless it was with relatives. The children starved, I will admit, but I just loved feeding what he desired. The stench of his flesh reconstructed a repugnant atmosphere, but to me it was such a delightful aroma. He loved me so much, he locked me in his frozen, cold prison just to make sure I stayed committed to him. The few that would dare to rescue me, I decorated the prison with their remains. Only a fool would disobey my love. Sadly, the blizzard rises. The reaper waits gleefully. Soon I will be smothered in a snowy bliss. My final prayer to you all is that you experience a great love like this.